In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock or unlock a page in Notion and how to add a password for added security. We're going to make sure your Notion workspace is exactly how you want it, whether that means locking it down to avoid accidental edits or securing it with a password. So let's get started. First, you'll want to have your Notion workspace open and ready. Take a moment to navigate to the specific page you're considering locking. This page can be anything, perhaps a project plan or even a personal journal entry you're working on. It's crucial to have this page open because it's the one we'll be focusing on when applying the lock. At the upper right corner of your Notion page, there's a button with 3 dots. This is often referred to as the More Options menu. Clicking on this will unveil a drop-down menu with various options. It might seem like a small detail, but this is an essential step that unlocks, quite literally, all the additional features you might use to enhance your page or workspace. Now, in the drop-down menu, look closely and find the option that says Lock Page. This feature is specifically designed to prevent any further edits on the page, which can be very useful when you want to maintain the integrity of your content. Toggle this option on, and you'll notice that once your page is locked, you are unable to make any edits to that particular workspace. This is a good way to set boundaries within your workspace and prevent accidental deletions or changes. When the need arises to unlock and make edits again, head back to the 3 dots, click them, and once more toggle the Lock Page option. By turning this feature off, you regain editing access to your workspace, allowing you the freedom to adjust, modify, and build your content as needed. Another layer of security comes with using a password. To set this up, go to the settings located at the left side of your Notion interface. In here, you have control over various configurations. Click on your profile. This is the key to accessing your personal details and security settings. Within this area, you'll find an Add Password option. Clicking this enables you to create a password to protect your workspace. Once you've entered a strong password, click Set a Password to finalize the setup. This adds an extra layer of protection to your content, ensuring that only those with the password can access it. It's especially useful for shared workspaces or if you're working from a shared or public device. And there you go. Whether you're locking down a single page or securing the entire workspace with a password, these steps give you control over your content's privacy and integrity in Notion.